Okay, so you're in some sort of automobile accident, and the police officers think that you were the driver, and while you're in a coma, they get a court order to take your blood, and the blood reveals that you had cocaine or heroin or methamphetamine in your system. And it's later established that you were not the driver, you were a passenger, and so nobody's going to charge you with DUI or anything like that. But they say, wait a minute, when we legally took your blood pursuant to this court order, you had cocaine in your blood, and so we're going to charge you of possessing cocaine in the state of Utah by consumption. And you say, wait a minute, whoa. I consumed it in another state. I consumed this in, I don't know, Denmark, another country, or, I consumed, this is marijuana consumed in the next door neighbor state, Colorado. So what's the law in Utah? The law is they can get you. It says this, it says it is illegal to possess. And it says possession or use means, and then it gives all of these definitions. And possession can be by consumption. Now, there was a case that came out in Utah called the Ireland case back in 2006. And the Utah Supreme Court said, wait a minute, consumption has to be that, you put it in your mouth or you injected it with a needle or something while you were in Utah. So what did the Utah legislature do? They changed the law. They changed the law so that it now says this: consumption means ingesting or having any measurable amount of a controlled substance in a person's body. They just changed the definition of consumption. So it's illegal to possess something by consumption. And so now if you come into the state of Utah and they can prove that you knowingly and voluntarily took marijuana or cocaine or any other illegal drug somewhere else, and then you came into Utah and you had that in you, Utah law would view it really no differently than if you had it in your shirt pocket. I would encourage you to read this case. It's the state of Utah versus Robinson case, and it deals with this. The Utah Supreme Court says right here that, the Utah legislature had reasonable objectives when they passed the law that said it is unlawful for any person to knowingly and intentionally have any measurable amount of a controlled substance in his or her body, and that did not violate the uniform operation of the laws clause of the state constitution. Anyway, I think this is still open, an open issue with the United States Supreme Court, but we'll see where this goes. But beware of this law. Have a good day.